On this episode, I'm making a knob adapter for the light switch. So the knob is 1/4 inch by 20 something, and then the pull out part on the light switch is 10 by 24. And I looked and I couldn't find what I wanted. I wanted a threaded insert from 1024 to 1/4 inch by 28 or whatever it is. So I drilled it out, and now I'm tapping it. And this is my thread gauge marker holder place thingy. So if you watch, this tap is going to twist. Don't let it twist too much, because then you break it off inside. And I know what you're saying. You could just buy a knob. You're right, I could. Okay, let's try it. Move out of the way. Oh, so this was the turn signal stock? So if you look here, here, boom. Now they all match. And that makes me happy. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.